So here's a message I got from a Year 10 student back in the middle of term 4. And she said, "Hi Katie, I'm trying to do research for that science assignment and I'm really struggling to find any good resources. I found a bit of info about the different compounds in laundry detergents, but it's not very scientific and I can find hardly anything on the effects of how it pollutes the rivers and water. I've used Google Scholar like you said, but I'm not sure about how to find any journals like you suggested in school. Do you have any other advice?" Now, I replied to Eliza at the time and she took my advice, and I'm going to share with you exactly what I told her to do, because she then emailed me just a couple of weeks ago to tell me her assignment result and how happy she was with it and how brilliant that piece of advice was and how well it worked for her. So, no, this wasn't something I specifically ended up helping her with personally, and that's actually super awesome because it means that any student can go and do this to get extra help with their researching and referencing. It's go see the teacher librarian at school. Now, in my experience, teacher librarians are one of the most underutilized resources in schools, and in most cases, they are a qualified teacher and a qualified librarian who therefore put those together. They just love helping students find information whilst also having great knowledge of how assignments and assessments work. So it's a perfect combination. What's more, they work in the library day to day, so chances are they're spending most of their time with books rather than students, and they end up doing a lot of tasks that involve managing new orders, organizing, administration, which is great, and I'm sure they love that too, but it isn't necessarily using all of their skills and experience, which means that when an actual real student, and a keen student at that, comes up to them asking for their expertise and assistance in those things they absolutely love to talk about and teach and work on, finding research and info, then chances are they'll go all out to help them. Now, these staff are skilled in the exact thing, therefore, that students are struggling with. And let me tell you, they can't wait to share everything that they know and help those who ask for that help. But chances are most students have never actually made the most of this help. Perhaps they weren't even really aware that it was available. This is actually part of that person's job to assist students. And so it's really awesome when they can help students with their researching and referencing, and it's great when students actually know that this help is available. So I'm Katie Price, Grade Transformation Expert, and next time your teen is stuck, have them go give this a go and then email me or drop down, leave a comment and let me know how it goes. Also remember, you can contact me anytime to ask any questions that you might like covered in a future video blog. My email is katie.price@rocksolidstudy.com.au. And until next week, let's make this a fantastic week.